Causes of white smoke from exhaust pipe and how to fix it. If you've noticed white smoke coming from your car's exhaust pipe, you may be concerned about the condition of your engine. White smoke isn't something to ignore, as it often points to an underlying issue that can affect your car's performance. In today's video, we'll be covering why your car might be emitting white smoke from the exhaust pipe and, more importantly, how to address it. Kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more car tips and troubleshooting guides.
What does white smoke from the exhaust mean?
White smoke from the exhaust typically indicates that something unusual is happening within the engine or exhaust system. However, not all white smoke is a cause for panic. The severity of the issue varies based on the underlying problem. Let's dive into the most common causes. 1. Coolant leaking into the engine. One of the most common reasons for white smoke is coolant leaking into the engine's combustion chamber. This occurs when there is a failure in the head gasket, cracked engine block, or warped cylinder head. When coolant enters the combustion chamber, it burns off and produces thick white smoke. Symptoms include persistent white smoke, especially after the engine warms up, a sweet smell from the exhaust due to the coolant burning, an overheating engine or low coolant levels, and milky residue in the engine oil or coolant reservoir. To address this issue, the head gasket may need to be repaired or replaced if blown. A mechanic will inspect the engine for cracks, and if any are found, the engine block or cylinder head may need to be replaced. If you notice white smoke and suspect a coolant leak, it's critical to stop driving the car immediately to avoid further damage. 2. Condensation in cold weather. If you've noticed white smoke only during cold starts, it could be caused by condensation in the exhaust system. This is a normal occurrence, especially during cold weather when the water vapor in the exhaust system condenses and vaporizes as the engine warms up. Symptoms include temporary white smoke that disappears after a few minutes of driving and no noticeable performance issues or overheating. No repair is necessary, as this is a harmless issue that resolves as the engine warms up and the condensation evaporates. If the smoke disappears shortly after starting the engine, there's no need to worry. 3. Faulty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors that are clogged or malfunctioning can cause an excessive amount of fuel to be injected into the engine, leading to incomplete combustion. This can result in white smoke, as unburnt fuel or excess fuel vapor is expelled from the exhaust. Symptoms include poor acceleration or rough idle, reduced fuel efficiency, and the check engine light may illuminate. To address this, fuel injectors can be cleaned or serviced to restore proper function. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the fuel injectors may need to be replaced. Keeping your fuel injectors clean will help maintain engine efficiency and prevent unnecessary white smoke. 4. Transmission fluid burning. White smoke can also result from leaking transmission fluid entering the engine. This can happen if there is a leak in the transmission cooler lines or other components that allow fluid to seep into the combustion chamber. Symptoms include a noticeable burning smell, difficulty shifting gears or erratic shifting, and transmission fluid levels being low or dirty. To address this issue, inspect the transmission lines for leaks and repair any damaged parts. If the fluid is contaminated or low, a transmission fluid change is necessary. Keep an eye on your transmission fluid levels, and if the issue persists, consult a mechanic for further diagnosis. 5. Turbocharger problems. A failing turbocharger can also cause white smoke. When the turbocharger seals fail, engine oil can leak into the exhaust system, resulting in white smoke. Turbochargers are essential for boosting engine power, and any malfunction can affect engine performance. Symptoms include loss of engine power or hesitation, strange noises from the turbocharger such as whining or grinding, and blue or white smoke accompanied by a noticeable oil consumption issue. To address this, a mechanic should inspect the turbocharger to check for any damage or leaks. If the turbocharger is damaged beyond repair, it may need to be replaced. Regular maintenance and oil changes can help extend the life of your turbocharger and prevent issues. How to fix white smoke in your car. General steps. While some causes of white smoke require professional attention, here are general steps you can take. 1. Check coolant levels. If the engine is overheating or you suspect coolant loss, Inspect the coolant levels and look for leaks. 2. Inspect the exhaust. Observe if the white smoke disappears after a few minutes. If it persists, it could be a more serious issue. 3. Visit a mechanic. For issues like a blown head gasket, cracked engine block, or turbocharger failure, it's best to consult with a professional mechanic for repair or replacement. Conclusion. White smoke from your exhaust pipe shouldn't be ignored, as it often signals a mechanical problem that needs attention. Whether it's something as simple as condensation or as serious as a blown head gasket, understanding the cause can help you decide on the best course of action. The most common causes include coolant leaks, condensation, faulty fuel injectors, transmission fluid burning, and turbocharger problems. Addressing these issues promptly can save you from costly repairs. Always monitor your car's performance and address any issues quickly to avoid further damage. If in doubt, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair. For more tips on car maintenance and repairs, don't forget to subscribe to Exoni Views and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates. Keep your car running smoothly.